Ooh. 300, around 300 degrees Celsius. That is almost 600 Fahrenheit. Good morning. Stove is burning very nice. What's happening here? Why am I not in focus? Hang on. 300 Celsius, pretty darn good. Today is Thursday, stain day, so we'll peel those signs. And still have to carve some running signs. In the office, installed the camera TV. So here we can see, going here. Right now we have two cameras going on. Shopbot 1, Shopbot 2. Here's the DVR, I guess, the hard drive, 1 terabyte. Not bad, got it at Lowe's. No sponsorship, but pretty good. And going here, we are installed this front here. No windows in there yet, just plywood or particle board in here, and carving some signs. Let's see here. Make sure everything is tight. Yeah, not bad. Not bad at all. Let me fix this here. There we go. A little too far. Well, too close, I mean. In here we have the dust collection. Yeah, sand room is coming together nicely. Come in here, installed the bench top sander, I guess you call this thing. A router. This router, and you build a table. I like to have them both on the same level. So about right here, so I can sand the edges, come over and round over around the sign. What else do we have? Still working on a downdraft table, not quite done with the dust collection. And this is a belt sander. And when you sand like before Christmas, you have to sand about 250 signs in one day. This thing is heavy. I think it's like 18 pounds. So I built this. I had it in my old shop too, and it worked just fine. I put a inner tube on there. This is a bicycle inner tube, and it's just set up with clamps right now. I don't know if you can see that. Hang on, let me swing around here. So 2 clamps. So I'm just testing this out. Once I'm happy, I'm just going to build a little wooden block and 2 bolts in there, so I can change it out. They break sometimes. Like here, there's a hole in there, and so it needs to sit about right about there. So when you bring a little tension or pull it down, and then you can sand, and it takes all the pounds off. Like I'm doing this with one arm. It just takes a little bit of pressure to put it down on the sign, and you're good to go. This is a game changer. Literally two years ago on Christmas, my arm was hurting. Like it took about 3 months for my arm to recover from sanding 4 weeks straight an average of like 150, 180 signs per week without this contraption. So this is a game changer, and in a little bit we'll hook up the dust collection. So we have dust collection here, dust collection there, and I'm planning on putting filters on top here to kind of suck up the air, the particles that are in the air. As you can see here, there's still sawdust that we're dealing with. Yeah, this is the sanding room. What else? Finished this up here. See? This one, the rafters. So this is all done. The doors, framed in the doors. Nice frame up here, frame up there. Put some base boards on here. Installed the deadbolt. I bought the wrong doors. I was meaning to buy doors with just the lock, but ordered them online. So installed the deadbolt. Over here I have bought two more, and I could not install them. One broke after like 20 minutes of trying to install, and the second one broke also. So I need to go back to Lowe's and exchange them, and no sponsorship, FY, just where I like to buy my materials. So got this going. What else do we have? Framed in here. Finished the machine. Still have to paint it and put windows in there and just kind of make it nice. It's all just kind of put together so we can run production. Oh, desk from the previous video, not quite. Yeah, that's about where I wanted. I'm kind of undecided, but first I had it here, then I had it there. Now I'm having it here, but I do like the view. I'm gonna close this. I do like the view. So when you sit here, you can watch the machines work and work on here. So that's kind of how I had it planned out. Put another TV here for entertainment, like watching YouTube videos or the news or whatever. So yeah, this is what's going on. Oh, I installed some flags. Finally found my flags. Let me show you. So yeah, obviously United States flag on top, as it should be, being in America. We got the German flag underneath. We got on the left the Bavarian flag, the state of Bavaria, largest state in Germany. That's where I'm from, northern Bavaria. And over here, Franken, the Franconian flag. This is kind of like the county. So this is what I'm most proud of. This is secondary. And Germany, well, we are in Germany, but we are proud Franconians. We like our heritage and we like to display our flags. So